Hello everyone, welcome back to Leisure Dave channel. I'm Dave. Today I have something very interesting to talk about. Is this right here, the Fifine Am8 microphone. So let's dive right into it. Today we got something special in the spotlight, the Fifine Am8 microphone. Whether you're a budding musician, a content creator, or just someone who appreciate good sound quality, this might be your ticket to audio heaven. Stick around and let's dive right into this review. Instruction manual, and look at this sturdy base. USB-C cable. Wow, very nice.
Nice, very nice. Thanks.
I'm genuinely impressed with this quality, you know. Can't wait to try it on to test the audio later. Setting up was very easy. I believe this is a plug and play, so we'll do it in a minute and then go from there. Okay, the Fifine XLR and USB dynamic microphone for podcasting, recording, you know, for your PC, computer, gaming, streaming. It's a very good mic, and also come with RGB lights. It has the mute button. Here. The USB, the headset, and the XLR. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Your external mic headset, and here's changes the RGB lighting. First thing first, let's talk about the design. The Am8 boasts a sleek and modern look. It's lightweight and it's very sturdy. Did I mention it looks very good on the camera? Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Setting up was very easy. It was a breeze. The USB plug and play. There's no complication, you know, nothing to worry about. And if you have the XLR mixer, you can connect here. I believe once you connect the XLR mixer, you would have to still connect the USB-C light, the USB-C connection in order to have the RGB light up, or else it will not work. But in terms of USB, it works on everything. It works on both ways. Okay, so in a minute, let's test the sound quality. Okay. Right now, I'm testing it with the XLR connection. What is the weather in your state or other part of the country? How's your life treating you so far? Are you doing great with your YouTube channel? How is the sound coming out from this microphone XLR connection? We will be switching over to just the USB connection. Okay, now we are using just the USB connection without the XLR cable. Does it sound different than the XLR? Hopefully it sounds different, because I believe the XLR definitely will have better sound quality with all the mixer you can do to it. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing for more awesome tech review and creative content. And don't forget to share your thought in the comment below. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Until next time, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Keep rocking your amazing video, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!